Installing a Crestron digital media system is not much different than traditional analog systems. We'll walk you through it, and when we're done, you just turn it on and it works. If you design the system as we outlined in the previous chapter, installation should be a breeze. You will have all the right input and output cards already installed in the DM switcher. You'll have the right cables, and if you're using copper, the location of the repeaters will be laid out. The sources will accept the required number of keys, and the resolution of displays will be normalized. First, just a quick review about wiring before you get started. You want to use Crest fiber cable if you can, but you can also use your own fiber as long as you have two 50 micron or 62.5 micron multimode fiber strands. Refer to the DM design guide to make sure that your wire has sufficient bandwidth. There's nothing proprietary about our fiber. It's standard multimode fiber with SC connectors. Terminating Crest fiber is very simple. You don't have to do anything special. There's no polishing. Use the Crestron Fiber Termination Kit. It's the top-of-the-line toolkit. After you do a few, it's very easy. I got it down under 5 minutes. You can also use copper wire. DM cable is preferred. DM cable consists of 3 wires. One non-shielded Cat5e cable with a standard RJ45 connector. DM net, which looks just like CrestNet. It has the same screw terminal connector. Red is power, black is ground. The only difference is there's yellow and gray A and B instead of Y and Z. The third wire is the DM connector. It's shielded, you don't need any tools, you just push the wires into the holes and snap on the connector. It's that easy. The connectors are reusable and they come in a box of 20. So if you're installing an 8x8, that's 16 connectors. One box gives you a few extras in case you lose or break some. You can test the DM cable connectors using a standard Cat5 tester. If you're running DM cable, depending on the source of resolution and the length of the run, you may need one or more DM repeaters. Again, this should be specified in the design phase, but consult the DM design guide if you have any questions. Just connect all your analog and digital sources to the DM switcher, connect the DM copper and/or fiber cable to the DM room boxes, and finally standard HDMI cable from the room box to the display. DM room boxes fit on top of any standard 2-gang or 85mm European electrical box. DM room boxes can also be mounted on ceiling tile or strapped on the back of the display. Note that these boxes are not plenum rated and should not be installed in the ceiling. These low-profile room boxes provide a clean installation. The cables run through the back, so the only exposed wires are the ones going to the display. Now just turn it on and it works. There's no programming, you don't need to be an IT expert, you don't need to worry about resolutions, you don't need to worry about anything, it just works. Once installation is complete and you have a working system, you probably will want to proceed to the final phase, system commissioning. Commissioning will tune the system for optimal performance. This can be done from the front panel of the DM switcher. For details about commissioning a DM system, check out the next video or refer to the DM switcher manual.